Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to do some algebra skills. I'm going to rearrange to isolate a variable a. So the question is asking make a the subject in these equations, which means make a isolated. Okay, so for question 1, we have a bracket b plus 1 equals c. When we have a bracket b like this, there is an invisible times in between. Now to get a by itself, or to isolate a, we need to do the opposite of times, which is divide. So we're going to divide the whole thing by b plus 1. Whatever we do to one side of an equals, we have to do to the other side. So our final answer is a equals c over b plus 1. Alright, so we've isolated a. Let's do the next one. Question 2. Again, we want to make c the subject. So we have ab plus a equals b. We want to make a the subject. So we can factorize the left side. So both this and this have a, and we divide ab by a, b's left. We divide a by a is 1. So we've factorized this by finding the common factor a and leaving what's left. We then do, similar to the first example, divide everything by b plus 1. So we have the final answer, a equals b over b plus 1. Alright, question 3. We want to get a by itself. So first step is to get b on the other side. So it's plus b, so we're going to take b to both sides. We now have 1 over a, so we can flip both sides. This side is c take b, so we now have a equals 1 over c take b. Alright, let's do question 4. So we've got a take a over b equals 1. First of all, we need to get the same denominator for fractions. So we have, let's get this here, the same denominator as this. So we're going to times both the top and the bottom. So this is a over 1. We're going to times the top and the bottom by b. This stays the same, and this stays the same. We now have ab take a over b. To get b on the other side, all of this is currently divided by b. So we can multiply both sides by b. We are left with ab take a equals b. We're going to factorize and divide both sides by b take 1. So our final answer is a equals b over b take 1. So again, we need to have the same denominator. So we're going to times, b over AB plus A over AB equals 0. Sorry, equals 0. B plus A over AB. Now we can get rid of AB. This is all dividing by AB, so we can multiply by AB on both sides. 0 times AB is 0. So the final answer is A equals negative B. Final question, question 6. Same process. Let's make everything on the right with the same denominator. So we just did this. First fraction we multiplied by B on the top and bottom. The second fraction we multiplied by A on the top and bottom. We now have a common denominator. Now you may be asking, why can we do this? Why can we multiply by B on the top and bottom? Because it's essentially the same as, I'll show you, multiplying by 1. B divided by B is 1. So essentially we're just timesing by 1, timesing by 1. That's why we can do that. B plus A over AB equals 1 over C. Alright, like question 5, we're going to multiply both sides by AB, but this time AB doesn't disappear. So B plus A equals AB over C. So I've multiplied AB on both sides, it's disappeared on the left, and it's up the top on the right. Now we want A by itself, so the last step is to minus by B. And that's it. You can also write this as AB minus BC over C. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful.